Tim here with APS Hurricane Protection. I want to go over the manual override when you have a motorized shutter with a manual backup system. Here's your handle. If you look at your handle, you have this slot here. That is not the slot that you are trying to get the pin that goes through that bullet. That slot that you are trying to line up is actually right here. If you look in the handle there, that lines up with this part. I'm marking it with a marker right now. So the easiest way to get that handle on is to go right underneath the universal, line that mark up with this pin that's facing that way. I'm using 2 fingers to go up, and then you're going to turn to the right. Typically you are going to use this when your shutter is down and you don't have power. 90%, 95% of our installs, clockwise is what's going to raise your shutters. Counterclockwise is going to lower your shutter. There is no limit when you are manually overriding a motorized shutter. So you have to follow these directions. Clockwise, which looking at the shaft is this way. You want to have the 45-degree universal out here. If you have this style handle, use your joint, use a joint, there it is like this. You are going to use both hands to make it easier. And what I want you to see is you are going to rotate very many times before you actually see your shutter moving. So just trust that clockwise is going to raise your shutter. I would suggest raising your shutter. Until you allow light, or if it's a doorway that you can get in and out. Do not raise your shutter higher than into the hood, because you can suck that slat up into the hood and then it's going to cause a service problem. So only raise your shutter up until you have light or you can get in and out of the doorway.